to have three of our guest speakers who were once our students to share their experience and success stories to all you young upcoming innovators and entrepreneurs. Firstly, I would like to take this privilege to introduce them, and as I introduce, I request them to kindly come forward and accept a small token of appreciation from the department and the university.
So most of the times we choose not to go out, but all I'm trying to say is that choose the positive side of voices that you hear and I thought. And also I've been invited to speak at an international platform this month on May 25th, which involves around 35 countries, and we've had famous Bollywood actors and people like Rahul Gandhi, Karan Johar, who has spoken in that very platform. And I've been invited to speak there, and I do not say that to boast about it, but I say, my intentions for saying this is that I want to say that dreams do come true, and one day you will see yourself where you wish to see yourself. Thank you so much.
Be it in music or in any other field, you may take if you think you have what it takes. Go and grab the opportunity and ignore the naysayers. Obviously there will be, and put God first and follow your heart. Then only you will achieve in life. So I would like to end my talk with a song.
나의 눈을 감으면 떠오르는 그 무동자 자꾸 가슴이 시려서 잊혀지길 바랬어. 꿈이라면 이제 깨어났으면 제발 정말 네가 나의 운명인 것 같아. 제발 나의 운명인 것 같아. 운명이라면 falling you.
Thank you. Don't be afraid to imagine living in a brave new world, because it is the very people who no one imagines anything of who do the things that no one can imagine. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
I'm faculty of Department of English at Dept for your valuable contributions, guidance, and encouragement.